Welcome back on here, you guys. How are we doing? I hope your day is amazing. So today is going to be a little bit different kind of a video. I'm going to be sharing with you my new makeup vanity that I recently got. My old one was a bit too tiny, so I got a new one. I thought I would show you what I have in my makeup vanity, little bit of a tour. I don't know how you guys going to like this video because I know you are more on here for my shopping content, but some of you guys actually really enjoy when I show my makeup and things like this, so I thought I would do this video for you guys. I feel that I genuinely made some friends on here. So yeah, let's begin with this one. I really hope you enjoy watching. Definitely let me know what you think about this video. Before I show you guys my new one, this was my old setup. It is not too bad, but I've been wanting this place to be more functional, organized, and cozy. I could not use all of my makeup because of how tiny it is, and I could not keep this place organized at all, even though I tried my best. Because one thing about me, I like everything to be very organized, and I like to be in a very peaceful atmosphere. So my husband ordered me this new one, and it took him around 4 hours to build this vanity. It was crazy. I'm so grateful to my husband. He always helped me a lot with these little things. So here you can see the new one. Now this one has so much storage. It's got like 10 drawers, and I love this see-through drawers on the top, and also the lights are brighter, the mirror is bigger. This vanity is so much better than the other one. I got this off of Amazon. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested in this one. This vanity also includes this stool which has storage as well. I love this, but I might order another, comfortable chair to sit on. But here you can see these organizers. I ordered them off of Amazon as well. And here you can see the vanity with everything organized. Still, I need to do more things with it, but it's almost done. I washed all of my makeup brushes as well, which is so satisfying to look at these washed makeup brushes. And this impression vanity mirror is also from TJ Maxx. I picked up a few months ago, and here you can see all of my lippies. I'm not someone who would buy all of the new launches and go all the time and pay full prices on makeup. All of my makeup is from beauty boxes or from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, or Ross. So in this drawer, I have mix of liquid blushes, highlighters, cream blushes, also liquid highlighters, and lippies as well. And here are my favorite concealers at the moment. This is all what I have for concealers in my collection. I don't like to keep anything that I never use or never reach for. All of these are fantastic. And here you can see all of the lip liners. For the lip liners, I have all of the Beauty Creations lip liners in my collection that I picked up at TJ Maxx for only $9.99 for 12 pieces. Now the formula on this one is so creamy and beautiful. You can wear it as lipstick as well. But if you want something very long lasting, they are not as long lasting. This Buxom one is so long lasting. But the problem with this is the packaging. The packaging is crazy on it. I accidentally broke the tip and now nothing is coming out of it. So I really think that for the price it should be better. I love the sharpable lip liners the most because they are very long lasting. And here you can see my favorite mascara from Essence. This mascara is fantastic. If you guys have not tried it, this is tubing mascara from Essence. And also recently, I was at JCPenney in their beauty section. I found these RMS Beauty cream eyeshadows on markdown for only $7.24, and those were buy one get one free. Can you guys believe I saved like $50 on it? I picked them up because of how affordable they are, so I thought I would give it a try. I have never tried anything for this brand, RMS Beauty. And let me tell you guys, these shadows are so stunning. I like them better than all of the cream shadows I have tried in my life. Honestly, so beautiful. I would highly recommend you to try them and go check out your JCPenney beauty section. You might still find it on sale. I like the formula more than this Pat McGrath Labs liquid shadow that I have from Ross. I also like it more than this Huda Beauty liquid shadow as well. So yeah, I just wanted to include this little footage and let you know how amazing this formula is. And here are my eyeliners. For the eyeliners, I absolutely love Too Faced Killer eyeliners. Those are the best. And then you can see some primers I love, and then also and there are some brow products as well in this little drawer. So for the brows, I have ABH brow pencil, Uma Beauty brow pencil, also Benefit one as well. I also have clear brow gel for Benefit and ABH clear brow gel as well. And you can also see a little bit of the primers I own. Here you can see clearly the primers I own. This is all what I have for the primers. And in this first drawer, I have all of my blushes. Blush is something that I reach for a lot. And here you can see I have this Ofra Cosmetics blush palette, which is so versatile. These are actually pretty good. My favorite blush formula is this Fenty Beauty one. And this one is this Gift Beauty blush palette. I like the formula, but it is not my favorite. Also, this Kevin Kwan palette is in my collection. I love this contour shade. Then here I have one more blush palette, which is this Juvia's Place palette. This is so pigmented and beautiful. Rest all of these eyeshadow palettes I have shown you in my previous videos. And in this drawer I have all of my foundations that I absolutely love. Also I have kept this one size loose setting powder in this drawer as well, but my all-time favorite foundation is this one from Uma Beauty. This one is fantastic. This is another drawer with eyeshadow palettes. Eyeshadow palettes is one of those makeup items for me that I never finish with them ever. Like, I don't remember any single palette that I have finished with all of it. I actually throw them away or donate it or gift it to someone, but I never really finish with my shadow palettes. So yeah, that's all what I have for the eyeshadows. I recently picked up this one from Pat McGrath Labs at Ross. I'll show you how these shades looked on my eyes. I used it during the weekend. I'll include little footage towards the end of this video. I need to get an organizer for my perfumes, but for now I have kept it in this drawer. And in this drawer right here, I have kept all of the setting sprays and SPFs. Right now I'm using this SPF of 50 from this K Beauty brand, and I am in absolutely love. The formula is amazing, so gentle, lightweight. I would highly recommend you to try this SPF if you want a good one. And also you can see all of the setting sprays I have in this drawer. And now in this final drawer, I have all of the essentials like Q-tips, cotton pads, or makeup wipes, or things like this. And then for this stool storage, for now I have kept this box on the inside, and in this box I have all of my jewelry for now. But I'll see what I can do to make this vanity more functional and organized. And here is the shadow look I created with using this Pat McGrath Labs palette that I picked up at Ross for only $19. If you find this palette, grab it, you guys. It is so beautiful. Or you can gift it to someone who loves beauty items. It is stunning. I got so many compliments on it. And recently I got this Fenty Beauty lipstick trio in the shade Riri at TJ Maxx. You can see on my lips, this is the liquid lipstick and lip gloss I have on. I thought I would show you guys the shade. So that be all, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this little girly chit chat and this video. This is all what I have in my collection. I know my collection is not too cool like other YouTubers, but I want to keep it real, and I am not someone who would spend thousands of dollars on makeup, and which is why I made my channel on budget friendly shop with me videos, so that we all could afford makeup. That be all, you guys. Thank you so much for watching me. I love you so much if you're still watching, and I'll see you soon in my next one. Take care, you guys, and bye bye.